We will have about the overview of the digital economy, that what is basically digital economy is. This is the one case study about the Apple, and in the end there is a case study about the Dell. Okay, this is a very good table to tell you about the differences between agriculture economy, industrial economy, and the digital economy. Okay, now this is very interesting. You might know about these like four different kind of dynamics over there about the knowledge model. This is called a knowledge model for digital economy. Okay, so as I told you that data is more precious than gold. Okay, data is more precious than your industrial engineering. Data is more precious than your agricultural farms over there. So the question will come in your mind, so what is the data basically? So yeah, so it's a facts, because you can say it's a raw data. Okay, so any raw information or raw kind of facts and figure. Okay, so we call as a facts and figure, which is raw in form without the context. So there is no context. For example, if I say 22, so there is no context with the 22, but if I say 22 years, so there is a context with that one. So when I combine two data, so it becomes a information over there. So facts and description without the context for analysis. Okay, so when you process, okay, so when you like for example, when you process the facts over there, when you arrange into a meaningful context, that becomes a information over there, right? So when you are like for example, if you have like grades of a students, okay, and they are mixed. Okay, some grade, for example, there is a A plus grade, there is a B grade, there is a D, there is a C, different grades over there, but they are not categorized properly. So when I arrange them in ascending descending order, so that becomes the arrangement becomes information for you. Then you can know that which student is at which level over there, right? Now so then the third stage is the knowledge over there, right? So since I told you in digital economy this data is very much important. Okay, so in the knowledge, when you put some reasoning with it, when you put some experience with it, when you put some like a know-how with that one, or some like you interpret the data in information. Okay, so that becomes an knowledge over there. Okay, so the same data becomes when you arrange it, it becomes information, and the same information when you put experience with that one, you put some reasoning with that one, you put some AI with that one, you put some artificial intelligence with that one, it become a knowledge for you or for your company. Okay, the fourth one is the wisdom over there. So wisdom is that is the last stage, or it is the highest stage of your data. So wisdom is just like any knowledge which is a bookish knowledge which is already been proven. There is no change in that one. We call as like a wisdom over there, like some laws of Newton. So laws of Newton are like a wisdom now. They are, before it was knowledge, but now it is a wisdom for us. So ability to reach an intellectual conclusion based on the knowledge over there. So wisdom is the ultimate conclusion for the data. What we need for digital economy, we need high quality data collection. High quality means like not a simple one, but like a not the garbage data. We need the filter data. We need data which is useful for the patterns over there. So we say high quality knowledge generations, we need it. Okay, and then we have the last thing, we have a core competencies of an organization. So what is the core competencies of organization? They say the gathering a high quality of data. So any organization which can gather a high quality data, they becomes a giant in a market over there. They becomes a leader in a market over there. If the data is not organized, if the data is messy over there, they don't know about their customer, if they don't know about their employees well, if they don't know about their assets, whether it's computer assets, whether it's like the laptops, the hardware, software, so it means they are not competitive with other organizations. And accumulating information and effectively applying into the accumulated informations over there. So this is one of the dynamics of knowledge model. So this is called a knowledge model, which starts from the data and then going through the information, knowledge, wisdom, and high quality information.